video for you entrepreneurs out there that are trying to find the time to stay consistent with bringing content to your prospects while running a business, coaching, and doing everything else that it requires stepping into that business owner role. So we're big fans of automation and creating systems and processes so that we can delegate and continue to build our business, spending time on it, not always in it. So the one thing that we've really ran into, you guys, is when we're creating or producing content, I don't like to just put content out, post something just to post it. If I post something, I want to bring value. So there's two ways that we found that we can really do this without it taking a ton of time and still bring our clients or prospects what they need. So number one, we're going to block out a couple of hours once a month, right? Once a month, we're going to block out between 3 and 5 hours. We're going to write out all of our content for the month. The second part of this, which is really cool, is we're actually going to be able to schedule that content to land on certain times and certain dates in your profile, in your Facebook group, or your other groups that you're active in with the click of a button. So let me show you how this works. We're going to do a high-level overview. I want to keep this short and sweet so that you can get the hint, you can get the idea. What you can see, these are my other posts from a while back. This one was on July 21st. I can look at this and I can see the different engagement. I can clone it, delete it. I can view it right from here. But let me just show you how this works. So I can come in here and grab a post from my library. So maybe I saved somebody else's post under one of these options, right? Maybe it was an engagement post or a value post. Or I just want to create a brand new one like I'm going to do for this video. I can decide if I want it to be a value post or maybe a soft sell post. So let's call this a soft sell post. And then I can select different tags, which I haven't done yet for this video, but I can have automation tags or high ticket sales training tags or coaching client tag or whatever it is, right? There's a bunch of ways you can do that. But the other part of this is I can decide where I want to post this particular post. I can select my profile. I can select my group or other groups that I might be active in, right? So there's a couple of groups here that I tend to post in from time to time, but just for ease of use here, I'm going to do my profile and then our high ticket sales system group. We're going to pick today's date, which is August 5th. And right now it's about 10:11 a.m. here in Utah. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go 10:13 a.m. This post was automated using our software. If you'd, like more info, let me know. How's that? Okay. So I can come over here and I can set backgrounds, right? I can set different colors, all of those things, right? It's pretty fantastic. So we're going to keep this one simple. I can add pictures and whatnot, but just to show you guys how this really works, we're going to go ahead and let me go ahead and switch this to 11 or 10:13. That's perfect. Add. So what you'll see here is it's going to add, right? It's going to add. So while we're waiting on that, you guys, I'm going to go back to my profile. I'm going to go to my feed, and there's a couple things I can do. So let's just say that I'm scrolling down and I decide that I have to have this post. I'm like, oh, that post is getting a ton of engagement. This is a good one to, I want to remember this. I want to use this post sometime. I can click these three little dots right here. And when it loads, all I have to do is say, I want to save this post. And I can decide, is this an engagement post, value, connection? Is it an offer? Is it an ask post? And then when I have tags created, I can select the tag and save it, right? The thing that's so cool about this, you guys, is I'm able to go back into the tool and it's going to have those posts saved. And I can go in literally and schedule a date and time right now for that exact post. Or I can pull that post up, manipulate it, change it a little bit. Okay, so here we go. And it will post. So what's going to happen here, you guys, is it closes the page it doesn't close it, but it minimizes it. But watch what happens here. So you're seeing that it's posting this in the group right now. This post is automated using our software. If you'd like more info, let me know. All right, so that's on my profile. And then we're going to wait just another second here. And if I go back to, I'm going to leave this window. Okay, so it just closed the window I'm in, and it's going to open a new one. we're going to wait. Might have been doing it here. I had 2 windows open, so let's just see. Go back over here. High ticket sales. Let's go to our group. There we go. This post was pre-scheduled. Oops, it's closing it again for us. So let me open that back up. Genius Scheduler is active. Okay, so here we go. So that was from my test before. So if we watch this, here we go. This post was automated using our software. If you'd like more info, let me know. And it's going to post that. The cool part about this, you guys, is we can use it for all different types of posts, right? And we can do it quick. So you get in the groove, you run your, see, I'm already getting engagement there. So you get in the groove, you start posting, you create your content, and it's easy as that. So some of the other features, again, I won't bore you with the details, but I can actually go back and look at the different posts that I've put in my library from other people. I can look at the different tags I have. I can check out the different post types, right, and create new ones. But I can also look at my schedule, right? There's different ways to be able to go back and see what type of engagement, what kind of engagement the posts are getting. So you can set it to run every morning and then tell me, hey, what posts are getting the most engagement? What do I need to post more of, right? And I can also go back and look at different posts just by clicking the link. So if I wait just a second, it's going to load. And it will take me right back to that post. So anyways, you guys, fantastic tool. And we can't wait to show you how to set it up. We'll talk soon.